What are his top quotes and also marked by the year? Hey Rach. Hi August. Yeah, little cutie boy. I like the overalls. How tall is Jensen? How tall is Mark Bainoff? If somebody is 6'5", comma, and has a huge beer belly, comma, in theory, what is his body fat percentage and weight? The first thing I really loved is Jensen has a great sense of humor, comma, and he is now the big dick in the room, period. Second, comma, I really love the super badass leather jacket that Jensen wears, comma, which is apparently pretty iconic for him, dot dot dot. And even though he is 5'7" tall, comma, pretty short, comma, and now 61 years old, comma, he looks more vivacious than ever, exclamation point. Yo. Ski mask cover my face up. How overwhelming. Force overwhelming. Jensen is great, dot dot dot. Great sense of humor, really funny, comma. And also you could tell that he really cares, comma. Very intelligent and seems like an awesome human being, period. It seems the big problem about Mark right now is that he seems disillusioned, comma, depressed, comma. Maybe he is dealing with the same malaise that all these other big tech guys are doing in the industry, period. And I think he is also kicking himself on the butt for not really going more balls to the wall about AI, period. Anyways, comma, what I find really fascinating is how essentially, comma, Jensen has been in the game for about 32 years, dot dot dot. almost as long as I've been alive, comma. I was born in 88, comma, and I'm 36 years old. Also really interesting is that how they started off in video games, comma, with the GeForce graphics cards, comma, which powered my obsession with Counter-Strike 1.6 ... But now they finally moved on to better things like AI, period. Also, as a side note, ... I find this really fascinating that somebody who starts something that seems frivolous like video games, comma, can create something so insanely life-changing and affirming, comma, which is AI, period. Create me a blog post article, 10 things that Jensen Huang has taught me about entrepreneurship and life, written in the voice of Eric Kim. Yup. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.